all blurry.
Huh?
It's all blurry.
It does that. You have to like click
Okay,
it and focus
okay. I've already been recording for 9 seconds.
Turn around.
Oops, I accidentally got your butt.
It's that one.
He's like,
It's
what?
really hard to go in reverse mode. We're gonna skim it. Oh, can't do it. Oh, my bad. This is really hard. Okay, got it.
We're going so fast.
Corey, pull your shorts down. The Quakers are buying them up. Corey, pull your shorts down. The Quakers are buying them.
They're not showing nothing.
Buying the license up so they
He
can.
was already looking down my shirt when I went the other way. So I had to turn around. Okay, I guess we're done.
Okay.